Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Today we are here to visit the Masjid Sakina, and I told the cleaners to cut the grass here. Alhamdulillah, now a few parts had not been cut. Here also they cut, going there. Yeah. And here we have bananas, 2 bananas, maybe 1 month more. Gonna harvest it, inshallah. Okay, this is the way. And here, not yet. Here they cut already, mashallah. This one, yeah, I forgot this to remove. I'll put this to the back side here. Alhamdulillah. Okay, here this side.